WazirX P2P is a platform that lets you buy USDT easily using Indian rupees on the WazirX app or website. You can then use this USDT and trade on WazirX. It's a three-step process where you place an order, make payment, and then the seller releases USDT. To start using WazirX P2P, click on the P2P tab at the top right in the main exchange section. On the P2P page, place a request to buy USDT by clicking on the Convert INR into USDT option. Enter the rate at which you'd like to buy the USDT and the number of tokens you'd like to buy. The total INR amount is auto-calculated based on your desired buy price. Click on Buy button to place your order. Please note that you need to place a minimum buy order of 14.5 USDT when using WazirX P2P. If you want to buy from a particular seller in our system, you can specify their XID in their preferred seller field. However, this field is optional. When left blank, we'll auto-match you with the best available seller. WazirX P2P will now start matching you with sellers directly and confirm when a match is made. As the next step, you can now make payments using UPI or the IMPS mode. Remember, you will have only 10 minutes to select the payment mode. Click on Yes, I will pay to view the seller's payment details. Once you confirm to pay, you will get additional 60 minutes to complete the payment. However, there will be a penalty for not paying after clicking Yes, I will pay. Minimum penalty will be 10 USDT or 1.2% of trade value, whichever is higher. Open the payment app. You choose for UPI/net banking and complete the payment based on the details available on the screen. Once the payment is done, you will have to upload the payment proof and then click on the checkbox and I have paid. Do also add remarks so that the seller can find the payment easily and complete the trade fast. Once you have confirmed the payment, the seller will have to confirm the receipt of the payment. Upon seller's confirmation, you will get a confirmation. So this is how you can easily trade at zero trading fee with WazirX P2P.